Friends, in coming days, your kids might have to study in Kannada anywhere in Karnataka. So, being a parent, you start talking to kids and fellow parents in Kannada. So, welcome to Learn Spoken Kannada. This is scene 10. This is talking about kids and education with fellow parents in Kannada. You also learn negation, usage of negation, and those verbs and sentences in Kannada. This covers 35 Kannada sentences and more than 50 words of Kannada in just 15 minutes. Let's learn negations in Kannada. The first word is illa. Illa means no. Illa. Example, ivattu school illa. There is no school today. You can say ivattu school illa. Okay. And nanna hattira pen illa. I do not have pen with me. You will say nanna, that is me, with me. Hattira means with me. Pen illa. Illa means I do not have. Avanu alli illa. He is not there. Avanu is he. Avalu is she. Avanu alli means there. Illa. He is not there. Alli illa. Avanu alli illa. Avalu alli illa. He is not there. She is not there. Can you predict the meaning of avaru illi illa? Notice that the word illi, not alli, illi. Avaru, it's not avanu or avalu, it is avaru. Illi illa. You can log your comments in the comments box for avaru illi illa. What is the meaning of this? The next word is beda, do not. Beda. Maria beda or Maria bedi. Maria bedi is with respect, don't forget. Maria beda is singular. You can tell it to your friends or juniors. Maria beda or Maria bedi. Bedi is with respect. Kuga beda, don't shout. Kuga beda. Kugu, kuga beda. Kareya beda. Kare is called. Kareya beda is don't call. Kareya beda. Noda bedi. Can you predict the meaning of Noda bedi? If you have seen all our videos, you will know what is Nodu. And then if you add bedi to that, what is the meaning? Noda bedi. Noda beda or Noda bedi. So here we are asking for Noda bedi. Let's see example. Nimma magalu hege oduತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. Right? How is your daughter studying? The typical conversation with fellow parents is, how is your daughter studying? So you can say Nimma magalu hege oduತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. Nimma is your, magalu is daughter, hege is how. Nimma magalu hege oduತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. Oduತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ means studying. Answer can be avalu ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಅವಳು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. She is studying well. ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ means studying she. ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ means studying he. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ means well. ಅವಳು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. After asking about daughter, if you want to ask about son, you can just say ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗ. Where is your son? You need not ask in a sentence called ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾನೆ something. You can just say ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗ with question mark. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗ. And then the answer can be ಅವನು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. He is not at home. ಅವನು, he, ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, at home, ಇಲ್ಲ. He is not here. He is not at home. And you can continue to say ಅವನು ಆಟ ಆಡಲು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ. He has gone out to play. ಅವನು ಆಟ is ಆಡಲು, to play. ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ means he has gone out. ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ means it's referring to female or she. ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. Here ಅವನು ಆಟ ಆಡಲು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅವನು ಆಟ ಆಡಲು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ. So here ಇಲ್ಲ is used as negation, this word. ಅವನು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. He is not at home. Continuing the negations in Kannada, you can use ಆಗಲ್ಲ, cannot. ಬರೋಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, cannot come. You can say ಬರೋಕೆ. ಬರೋಕೆ means ಬರುವುದಕ್ಕೆ is actual Kannada, but in spoken Kannada you can say ಬರೋಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. means ಬರುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, which means I cannot come. ಹೋಗೋಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, cannot go. You will use ಹೋಗೋಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. In the spoken Kannada, you will just say ಆಗಲ್ಲ, cannot. ಹೋಗುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ is a pure Kannada, in a bookish Kannada, but in spoken Kannada you can say ಹೋಗೋಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ತಿನ್ನೋಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, cannot eat. ತಿನ್ನೋಕೆ, ತಿನ್ನು means eat, ತಿನ್ನೋಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. That also in the pure Kannada, ತಿನ್ನುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. But in spoken Kannada you can say ತಿನ್ನೋಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ನಿಲ್ಲೋಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ನಿಲ್ಲುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. In short form you can say ನಿಲ್ಲೋಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ means cannot stand. Now using ಆಗಲ್ಲ you can use ಕೇಳೋಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So can you predict the meaning of this? ಕೇಳೋಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, and you can write in the comment box. ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, as I said, it also means cannot. You can use it like ನನಗೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಲು ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಿಲ್ಲಲು means to stand. ನಿಲ್ಲೋಕೆ or ನಿಲ್ಲಲು. ನಿಲ್ಲಲು ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ is like a proper Kannada. But you can also say ನನಗೆ ನಿಲ್ಲೋಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ or ನಿಲ್ಲೋಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ನನಗೆ ಮಲಗಲು ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, I cannot sleep. ನನಗೆ ಮಲಗೋಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ or ಮಲಗಲು ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ or ಆಗಲ್ಲ, you can use any of this in spoken Kannada. Imagine how easy it will be if you can recognize Kannada characters and alphabets, right? So these videos can help you for that. The links are given in the comments below. Some more important verbs and negations in Kannada. Example, ಓದು means study. ಓದು. ಓದಲ್ಲ means does not study. ಅವನು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಓದಲ್ಲ. He does not study well. ಓದಲ್ಲ. ಓದು, ಓದಲ್ಲ. ಬಾ is come, ಬರಲ್ಲ is will not come or does not come. ಅವನು ಮನೆಗೆ ಬೇಗ ಬರಲ್ಲ. He does not come home early. ಮನೆಗೆ means home. ಅವನು, you know already that it is he. ಬೇಗ means early. ಬರಲ್ಲ means does not come. Similarly, ಕೇಳು is listen. ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ is does not listen. ಅವಳು ಮಾತು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. He does not listen. ಮಾತು means the words or whatever you say if somebody is not listening. You can say ಅವಳು ಮಾತು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಮಾಡು is do, ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ is does not. ಮಾಡು can be used a lot, ಅವಳು ನಿದ್ದೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. She does not sleep well. ಅವಳು ಊಟ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. She does not eat well. ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ is for any verb, eating, drinking, anything. You can add that. ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಯಲ್ಲ, ಊಟ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ, like that. So if you want to add does not, you can add ಮಾಡು, ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಊಟ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ kind of words. So during casual talk between fellow parents, the typical thing will be, I don't know how to make these kids study. So you can say, ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಓದಲು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡುವುದು? ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಓದಲು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡುವುದು? ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು means these kids. ಓದಲು means to make them study. ಹೇಗೆ, how. ಹೇಗೆ is how. ಮಾಡುವುದು means to do. How to make these kids study, right? ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ means I don't know. ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ means I don't know. Somebody can respond, ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ ಸೇರಿಸಿಲ್ವಾ? Didn't you admit them or join them to tuition? You can say ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ ಸೇರಿಸಿಲ್ವಾ. ಸೇರಿಸು means admit. ಸೇರಿಸಲ್ವಾ or ಸೇರಿಸಿಲ್ವಾ are two possible words. ಸೇರಿಸಿಲ್ವಾ means didn't you admit them. While talking to other fellow parents, you can say, my son scored well in exam. ನನ್ನ ಮಗ, that is my son, ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ or ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ or ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ, ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ means ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್, ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ means well, score is score. You can use English words in between Kannada sentence. ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ, he has scored. ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ means he has scored. ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. then somebody can say, okay, you're lucky. ನೀವು ಅದೃಷ್ಟವಂತರು. ಅದೃಷ್ಟ is lucky. ಅದೃಷ್ಟವಂತರು means you are lucky. ನೀವು ಅದೃಷ್ಟವಂತರು. So then the fellow parent can ask, ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ? ಎಲ್ಲಿ is where, ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ means does he go. ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ? ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ means to tuition. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ? Where does he go? Your answer can be ಅವನು ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ is a negation word. You can say ಹೋಗು is to go. ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ means does not go. ಅವನು ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. It's very easy to learn Kannada numbers. We have covered in a couple of videos. Check out the links in the comments box. If you want to compliment somebody's daughter, you can say your daughter is very intelligent. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗಳು ತುಂಬ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತಳು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗಳು, your daughter, ತುಂಬ is very, a lot. ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತಳು means intelligent. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗಳು ತುಂಬ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತಳು. And you can say ಅವಳನ್ನು ಏನು ಓದಿಸುತ್ತೀರಿ? What she will take up next. What will you make her study next? You can say ಅವಳನ್ನು ಏನು ಓದಿಸುತ್ತೀರಿ? ಓದಿಸು means to make somebody study. ಓದಿಸುತ್ತೀರಿ means what will you make her study. ಅವಳನ್ನು ಏನು ಓದಿಸುತ್ತೀರಿ? After the talk, if the friends or fellow parents or even relatives or anybody is leaving your home, you can say please keep visiting us. You can say ಮತ್ತೆ ಬನ್ನಿ or ಆಗಾಗ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಬನ್ನಿ means keep visiting us again. ಮತ್ತೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಬನ್ನಿ means ಬನ್ನಿ, please come. ಮತ್ತೆ means again. ಆಗಾಗ also means it's a frequently, if you want to invite somebody, you can say ಆಗಾಗ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರಿ. So you can say just ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರಿ or ಆಗಾಗ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರಿ, or you can say ಮತ್ತೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. These are the easy simple words to tell somebody please keep visiting our home or us. Then they can say you also please visit our home. ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ನೀವು is they or you. ನಮ್ಮ is ours. ಮನೆಗೆ means home. ಬನ್ನಿ means please come. So with respect, ಬನ್ನಿ. ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. So there are so many other easy Kannada sentences captured in other videos, including recognizing the Kannada alphabets in any Kannada sentence or name board that you see. Check out the links below. So when you happen to see the Kannada name boards, if you want to easily identify what those alphabets are, these are the videos which will help you. Here is a Kannada question of the day. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ? So tell us the meaning of this sentence in the comment box below. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ? One of the best method to learn any language is to watch those movies of that language. There are many good Kannada movies on Amazon Prime. One of the best movie that you can see in Kannada is Kavalu Dari. Kavalu Dari, acted by Anant Nag and others. Kavalu Dari. The link is given in the comment box below. The National Education Policy 2020 that was approved by Union Cabinet, one of the main intention is adopting local languages as a medium of instruction till class 5. Is important in early phase of education because the child's strength in understanding the principles and in displaying creativity manifests better in the mother tongue as well as in the local language that they interact with other kids. So children having great ability to pick up multiple languages in early stages of their age. So the policy talks about flexible approach in the 3 language formula, right? So if your kids studying in Karnataka, teach them Kannada as early as possible. Thanks for all your love towards our Kannada Magic channel. Please forward the links of Kannada Magic channel videos to others, your friends, relatives. Please encourage others also to learn Kannada and be comfortable using Kannada. you start using Kannada, and then if you have any questions, please mark them on the comment box of this channel. Thank you. We wish to see you again. Please come back. Our channel is youtube.com/c/Kannada Magic. See you again.